Looking for a great little grill that you can carry with you in the truck?
We got an idea.
Hey guys, I want to show you this grill that we bought that we're really liking. It's made by a company called UCO. I'll post a link to it. It comes flat. It comes in this nice canvas carrying case that has a Velcro top along it. And you see, it's flat. They call it a flat pack grill for a reason. So once you slide it out, you get your grill grate, and you see it's totally flat, and you just grab the two handles, flip them handles over, and those become your legs, and you can see it creates kind of a little trough. You just take that, set your grill on top, and you can use this as a fire pit or anything that you want. It's a really good quality stainless steel. But you just set your grill grate on top of it and you've got your grill. And it comes with a little handle here too. You can kind of put it in your grill grate and lift your grill up if you need to tend your charcoal, your fire, or anything underneath it. And then you've got something to grab this when it's hot. I've made one modification to this grill. The way that it originally comes from the factory, you can see you've got a pretty deep V here, and then with your grill sitting on top, it creates kind of a little bit too deep of a trough, and I wasn't getting any kind of airflow, so at first it didn't want to work good for me. So what I've done here is on the sides, I just measured up from the bottom on both sides and drew a line across, and I've drilled holes through here, and then I did the same on the other side and made the holes match. At Walmart, I bought a set of 4 skewers, kebab skewers. Now what I'm doing is I just put them in the holes all the way through, and I cut them off so that they're not sticking a foot out the other side. So I put all 4 of these in here. And then in the grilling section at Walmart, I found a lightweight, really lightweight grilling tray, and this was a whole lot bigger. It was like 13 by 9 or something like that. And I measured how big I needed it to set in here, and then I cut it down to size. I don't know how long this is going to hold up. What I was really looking for was some expanded metal, and I couldn't find any. So I settled for this because of all of the holes in it to create good airflow underneath your charcoal. So I'm taking this and setting it inside here, just like so, and that's going to give me something to set my charcoal on to keep it up off of the bottom and to create a better airflow. See, we've got all these holes in the sides here, but nothing was getting underneath. So this should give us good airflow underneath. And then see, it's still 2 inches down from the grill surface, so that should give us room to, spread our charcoal out when they're ready, and create good airflow. So when you're not using your grill, it's still an incredibly easy cleanup. Just take all your ash out, take this out, pull your skewers out, and everything still fits inside here. This will fit right down inside, sets your skewers in there, and you can still fold everything up so that it all packs flat. Everything all fits right inside. So I've just prepared the charcoal as usual, created a pile, and got some charcoal fluid on there and let it soak in for a while, and we've gone ahead and lit it. So we've got our charcoal spread out and our grill in place. Now let's get to the cooking. So that was a good purchase. I'm very pleased with it. I'll admit, and when I first got it, I was a little disappointed with it. It just wasn't getting good airflow. But with that little modification that I did with the skewers and the perforated metal, it picks that charcoal up off the bottom, and it gets good airflow, and man, that thing's working really good. So I'm gonna post a link to UCO's website. They make 3 different sizes of this. They make a large that says it'll feed like 6 to 8. This one is the medium, and then they make a small one that's a little bit bigger than half the size of this one, and that's mainly for backpacking. UCO makes a lot of stuff for backpacking, and it's all good quality stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, I'll post a link to UCO's website, and this is a recommendation. It works good. So we'll talk to you later, guys. Thank you. Bye.